Hi, this is Jeff at Alpine Professional Carpet Care, and dealing with urine damage in the carpet. Um, there's a couple problems. For one, there's what creates the smell is well, the urine salts puts off an off gas, and then the bacteria, and the urine salts also keep the carpet wet for months and months. It actually draws moisture from the air to wherever the urine spot is because it's got urine salts in it. And that leaves lots of time for bacteria to start growing. And and as the bacteria grows, the bacteria puts off an off gas. And so does the urine salts. It also puts off an off gas. And so the things that you're trying to take care of is you're trying to flush out all the urine salts so it'll dry right away. Because once all the urine salts are gone, then the carpet will dry the next day instead of staying wet for months and months. And and the faster the carpet dries, the less chance of the bacteria to start setting in and being able to grow. And then the other thing is, so those are the two problems. The urine is just a food source for the bacteria. So the urine doesn't really smell very much unless, the dog's got a lot of scent glands like a skunk or a ferret or something. But most dogs, have some scent glands, but for the most part, it's the bacteria and the urine salts that are creating the awful odor. And so the best way to do that is to flush it out with a water cloth. You flush out an acidic product to flush out all the urine salts, and then you use a urine treatment on it, and then you flush that out, and and then set up air movers and get it to dry. And then, well, but that works really well if there's just a spot or two. But if it's all over the carpet, then then you probably are just going to make it better. And so then using a tropical treatment, spraying something on top and cleaning it is going to make it better, but it's not going to be perfect. But the best way to do that is to get a UV light, see everywhere the where the urine is, and then spray a product like I use OS1 because you can spray it and leave it. And so you spray OS1 down, and you can spray it on every place that the UV light shows that there's a urine spot. And then I use this product called HD Odor Kill by Pro's Choice, and it's a pre-spray, and it's a deodorizing pre-spray, and you spray it on everywhere on the carpet, and then we go into our cleaning process. And then after we clean it, then I go back in the areas that had urine damage in it, where the urine spot was. Then I, instead of doing the thin spray, where I was trying to mimic how an animal went to the bathroom and sprayed on all those spots, now I just do a mist spray, and I mist it on all the areas where the animal went to the bathroom, and then I just leave it, and it'll keep working until the carpet's dry. And that's basically how I do my topical urine treatment. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and everybody have a good work week.